This is Jeff Sibley with BigIron Auctions near Rozel, Kansas. We are looking forward to the John and Shirley Price Revocable Trust Estate auction coming on September the 28th. A highlight in this sale will be their 2013 Versatile 2375 four-wheel drive tractor with only 2,016 hours showing on that Cummins 375 horsepower engine. As a 2013 model, this tractor is pre-def, has 12 forward speeds, 4 reverse speeds, and Goodyear 710/70 R38 tires all the way around. Contact Troy Wells at 620-285-5745 or Andrew Schmidt at BigIron Representative at 620-682-5970 to find out about this great deal and others in the John and Shirley Price Revocable Trust Estate auction coming September the 28th on BigIron.com.